Okay, ready? Sing it together.
Happy birthday to you, Dida.
Happy birthday to Dida. Happy birthday.
To Dida. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, can you tell him something?
Um.
Can you say, I love you, Dida?
I don't know what to say.
Just say, I love you and I miss you.
How about this? I love you, Dida. You're my great cousin.
Oh, he's your Dida.
Not cousin. Just don't know what to say.
Okay, how about you, cousin? Okay, go.
You're my favorite Dida in the world.
Yay, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
And you?
I don't want to say anything.
Oh, how about just I love you, Dida?